Hi guys, so today we're going to be talking about the negativity within the dancehall community and how it impacts Jamaica and how it impacts our music and just the whole genre in general. So, if you want to hear my thoughts and opinion on this story, please keep on watching If you watched the onstage interview that Bounty Killer did with Winfred Williams, he made something very clear in that interview. And I wanted to elaborate on it. And I'll insert the clip right now.
All right, so let's get some things behind us. Your kids are said to be warring. I don't know if they're a real war. A real war are going or what? You're pitting them.
Exercise, man. That's a real war.
Exercise.
No, but you see that situation?
Yeah.
I'm very disappointed with the music industry.
Yes.
With Papi and Mavada, it show you how we Jamaican, we love negative thing and we like break down each other. Mm-hmm. Let me give you the best example now. People remember say Papi and Mavada sing song together. Papi have one song named Champagne Fly, I'm feeling high. Mavada did the remix to it, you know. And that was a nice hit for Papi to have a little international twist potential. Everything could have gone for the song there, you know. And you know, whenever get excited, say, Mavada and Papi do song. See, when them start singing two little stupid songs against each other, everybody get excited. Mavada and Papi, like, out of Mavada and Papi singing together.
Yes.
Or fighting against each other. Which one would make music better? Are we Jamaican better off?
Yes.
And they sang together and it wasn't a big thing. But the moment they go against each other, what is the excitement about? Because we love negativity.
So the man manipulate them.
Jamaican dancehall fans are stupid. None of the song when Mavada and Papi sing against each other still don't good like the remix with them do together.
Okay.
Couldn't do nothing for music. You gonna listen back that remix and listen all the songs they sang against each other and tell me if them better than the song there.
So, Bounty was actually trying to explain that in the dancehall community, we will rather support negativity and negative BS, for example, clash, war song, and all that in the dancehall community, more than we'll support some artist that's trying to do some upliftment thing, or they're trying to uplift other artists, or they're trying to collab with other artists. So, or they're trying to collab with other artists. And he made a fine example. And the example was, Movado and Popcorn. And he made it very clear when Mavada and Popcorn collaborated, no one supported their music. No one was down for it. None of the DJ them never put you out there and say, alright, we'll push the song. Nobody didn't download the music. Nobody didn't push the music. And that song, he said, could have been a more international song, could have breaking a barrier with dancehall music. It could have also provided a lot of income for Jamaica and for the artists, but no one pushed it. But as soon as them said then they diss them on there, as soon as them said then they drop this song after this song, people are down for it. People that play the music, people that download it, people that talk about it on the internet, people's pushing the clash, people want to hear more clashing, people want to hear more beef on this song every single day. And honestly, I wasn't even down for it. I did a few reviews on it, but it's not something that I'm about. I really don't like the negativity. I really don't like any of it. As far as dancehall is concerned, when I'm talking about dancehall, you know that this song, clashing and all that comes with dancehall, because dancehall came from ska and rocksteady and reggae. So with dancehall, it was the more raw, uncut upbeat, lyrical part of our culture that allowed people to enjoy themselves and actually sing about real stuff that was going on. Not to say that reggae music wasn't singing real stuff, but they were going on. But dancehall version was the more raw and cut to where more people could relate that lived in Jamaica, and that's why it is what it is now. But people will say yes, it comes with a territory or whatever. But honestly, this is why dancehall music is where it's at right now, because people are willing to take the good parts of our culture and of our music in dancehall, even reggae too. They'll take the good part of the musical culture and they take it and they maximize it on it. They make more money on it. They're more profitable on it. And that goes to show that we as Jamaican people, we're so loving and caring and just open people in general that we allow people to come to where we live and take away our culture and our music without giving recognition or without giving our culture the actual respect that it needs. So them eat off of it, them maximize off of it, but our own artists and our own people can't maximize off of it, can't do what they do off of it, because they take the good parts and they leave the negative parts out of it. And that goes to show that we as people, especially Jamaican people, we love the fuckeries, we love the negativity, and we feed into it. And that it's a good thing and it's a bad thing, because socially there's always good and bad things in everything, and we dibble and dabble just a little bit too much, if you ask me, in the negative portions of our music. As people, it's up to us as people to actually change it and to actually maximize and profit off our culture and off our music. We can't expect other people from different genres to come into our community and in our culture and our country and actually help us maximize and make profit off our own original thing. It's not like we're copying, not like we're imitating, we're duplicating, we're not doing any of that. So it should be more easier for us to take the more positive aspects of our music and actually maximize and profit off of it. I don't understand why it's so hard, but goes to show that in the industry, in the dancehall industry, a lot of things have to change and a lot of people have to move up in the dancehall industry, actually push our music in the right way, and we can't allow people to just come take our music and maximize and profit off of it, and we don't get respect or the money or any of the things that we're supposed to get from our music, because we're the originator. We originated this. This is all us. This is authentic to us and our culture as people. So it's up to us to do what we have to do to, as far as making profits and benefits and money and all that. And we as people need to get up all the fuckeries and off the bullshit and actually push positive, uplifting music when people put them out, and not be focused on all the negative drama and the BS that's in dancehall music. And that's all I have to say about this specific topic. Leave your comments in the comment section below and tell me, guys, if you think that we are more gravitated towards the negativity in dancehall, or we are just human beings and human beings gravitate to both negative and positive aspects of anything in the world. Just comment below and tell me what you guys think about dancehall music and what Bounty said in the onstage interview. And shout outs to all my subscribers. Thank you, Soulflow TV, for the shout out. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here. do